Hey everyone, want to upgrade your Discord experience with Nitro? In today's tutorial, I will show you how to buy a Discord Nitro using PayPal in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First of all, open Discord app or go to discord.com. Click on User Settings in the bottom left corner. In the left panel, click Nitro. Select either Nitro or Nitro Basic. Click on Subscribe. Under the payment options, choose PayPal. Click to Click next to proceed. A new window will pop up asking you to log in into PayPal account. Enter your credentials and click login. Review your payment details and select your preferred funding source. Click agree or pay. Wait for the transaction to process and confirm your purchase. Once the payment is successful, your Nitro subscription will be activated instantly. And that's it. You have successfully brought Discord Nitro using PayPal. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.